Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how you do some epoxy work for your intake. Stuff you want to use here is JB Weld, real good stuff. Stuff that's fuel and chemical resistant, that's what you want to use. Farmer Tech cylinder. Looks pretty doggone good to me, huh? This thing's got about 100 degrees of exhaust timing. A little machine work done. Pretty good. Changing the exhaust, or the intake rather, because it's kind of big. It's got 85 degrees of timing. That's no good. This at highway, it's not too good. Big burr in there on the transfer, and was always concerned about it. I says, if this ever broke in and caught that, it's going to roll that plating. Well, I raised it, not that it's scrap. Got it raised to about 118 degrees. Keep in mind, this exhaust timing's almost 95, so that's not too good. Farmer Tech, much better. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, see your bit? This is a tile cutting bit, Dremel tile cutting bit, 1/8 inch, very rough. What you want to do, you want to go in here in your port, you want to make sure you rough all this up real rough with this bit. Take that little burr out of the bottom here, you know, where your intake port, make sure that's smooth transition. Sand everything, make sure it's beveled, okay? Alright, let's get the tape ready. This is 3M yellow tape. That's what I use. Works pretty good. Sometimes I peel it back and I shove it in there a little more. Okay, alright. Yep. Put them up. There we go. Bingo. Try to do equal amounts. That's not always easy. Let's see how much I can really get in there. Yep. Yeah, I probably have to put a lot in there. So yeah. Got a little more. See, make sure even. Okay. Okay. Mix this up. That's what I use, a screwdriver. Might be the best method, but works good. I've done this a lot of times. Yep, hoping I have this saw done for the weekend. Got the 372 done. Can't wait to see how that runs now. Got the Duke cylinder. She did a pop-up piston for it, 50mm build. Let's see how she runs. She's mixed up real good. Okay, what I do, take your epoxy, just shove it, try to shove that stuff down in there. Sometimes it's not easy. Shove it in there. I'm not worried about getting it on the cylinder. I usually, believe it or not, I sand it off. Now, it's not the best way. It's the only way to make sure that you don't have air bubbles. See what I'm doing there? It's not pretty. Keep in mind, But I've got good results every time. So here. Yeah, when you do this, do not wash your cylinder with anything. Nothing. Everything's shoved down here. Like I said, it ain't pretty the way I do it. When she's done, there's no air bubbles in there. That's what you don't want to have, air bubbles. Try to fill this thing up pretty full. Because I could do a lot of reshaping on this port. Yep. Yep, I gotta do a lot of reshaping. Yeah, that's the way I do it. Shove her down in there best you can. But when she's done, I'm gonna tell you what, she's gonna look like this. See that? All that epoxy there. It's the way it looks when she's done. Hey guys, next time. Well, first of all, you want to let this sit at least 12 hours before you do anything, and that's it. Make sure you leave it up like this so the epoxy just, you know, oozes down in there. Just leave it there. Okay guys, next time, keep feeling the heat.